Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I wanted to share with you guys a really simple cryptocurrency trading strategy for beginners. This strategy is really simple to use, and within a couple minutes you'll get the hang of it, guarantee it. With Bitcoin becoming very popular and the price starting to rise, this leaves a really simple opportunity for people to trade cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin. So today I want to share with you guys really simple trading strategy. And if you guys stick around to the end, I'm going to explain how Bitcoin will reach $200,000 by December. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, stick around, I'll show you exactly why this is gonna happen. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a leverage account with whatever broker you choose. So for example, you could choose to go with Binance, and you go over to the margin area, and you're gonna wanna get a margin account. This makes it so you can put in $100, and you can leverage your account with, let's say 20 to 1. So if you put in $100, you can essentially trade like you have $2,000. This will help you to maximize your trades. Okay, the strategy is really simple, so we're gonna go over to the 1 hour and just to show you how it works. So basically the strategy is literally to mark out a downtrend. So let's say you see a downtrend here, for example. You're gonna wait till a candle breaks the downtrend. So we see the candle broke the downtrend right here. And then you're gonna go on to a lower time frame, because within this down section here, this is also downtrend. So let's say we're on the 1 hour, we're gonna go down to the 15-minute, and we're gonna wait for this 15-minute trend to break, and that's when we buy. So if we go down to the 15-minute trend, we can see this was also a trend right here. And then here the candle broke right here. So you would enter your trade when the candle closes with your stops below. And if you held this trade, if you risked, let's say $100, you would have made $500 here. Really simple stuff. And if you held the trade even longer, you could have made up to $1,400 if you risked only $100 on this trade. So this is really simple stuff, and I'll show you some more. Okay, so here's another trade on Bitcoin. So we clearly have a downtrend right here, and the candle has broken the downtrend right here and did a little retracement. So if we highlight this retracement zone, and if we were to go back to the 15-minute, we can see we had a little 15-minute downtrend here as well. So it broke the 15-minute downtrend right here. So we enter on the candle close, stops below, and once again, could have made up to 8 times whatever you risked. Really simple trade. It happens all the time. So let's say we clear that, go to the hour. We'll go exactly back to that same spot here. So we have a downtrend here, or an uptrend here, sorry. And the candle broke here, and we have a little retracement. So if we go to the 15-minute, go back to that area, and we can see this was in a downtrend here. Broke the downtrend, say you enter on the candle close, which would have been here, stops above here, targets below, boom. If you risked $1,000, you could have made $5,000. This is a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. Really simple stuff. So that's pretty much the extent of the trading strategy. It's really simple. I feel like I don't need to do any further explaining because it's such a really simple trading strategy. And now since you stuck around, I'm going to show you exactly why Bitcoin will reach $200,000 by December. So a lot of people don't know, but Bitcoin actually operates on a 4-year cycle. So every 4 years, Bitcoin goes up a lot. So if we go to the daily chart, and we go exactly 4 years ago from today, that's when the first cycle happened of Bitcoin, back in 2017. So everyone remembers that Bitcoin went up to $20,000 and it was such a big moment. But what people don't know is that it happens every 4 years. So as we can see, back in July of 2017, it was the start of a bull run, and we went all the way up to $20,000. So if we go now 4 years exactly later, back to July of 2021, we can see the same thing is happening again. So this was July here of 2021, and now we're starting into our bull run. So I predict that it's going to go all the way up to $200,000, and here's why. If we follow the exact same pattern of what happened 4 years ago, we can see there was a nice little ascending triangle here. Price came up above the triangle and came back down and touched the top of the triangle. When did that happen? Right around September. We go back to 2021 and we can see here was a descending triangle. Price came up and came right back down to touch the top of the triangle right around in September. Would you look at that? It's not just random. There's a reason for this. So if we go back to 2017, we can see the top of the triangle was right around $3,000. And price went all the way up to $20,000 this bull run, 2017. So we can see the top of the triangle was only $3,000 and it ran all the way up to $20,000. So if you were to invest at the top of the triangle, you would have made just under 10 times whatever you invested. And if we can see back to 2021, the top of the triangle is about $40,000. So we can see how if price were to multiply by 5 times the top of the triangle, we would have $200,000. So as we can see, if price multiplies by even just 5 times the amount, we would reach up to $20,000 by December. Because as we can see, back in 2017, right around December, mid-December, Bitcoin hit its peak. So as we can see, if we invested at the top of the triangle, we can see from the top of the triangle to the top of the bull run, we can see the ratio of the size of the triangle compared to the price that it reached. And if we do the same thing in 2021, we'll see the exact same structure. Top of the triangle, bottom of the triangle, and once again, all the way to the top. Same exact structure. So that's why Bitcoin will at least hit $200,000 by December. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with others who also want to invest in Bitcoin. It's going to be a great opportunity for everyone. I feel like this is like the gold rush of the new century. So please share this. Thank you for watching.